All right, we both know why you're here, so I'm not going to waste your time. You got a wiggly tail light on your F150, and it's annoying. You need to know why and fix it. I'll show you. Auto remove the two screws on this side. There and there. The screws are already removed. So I can just pull this out. All you do is give it a tug toward you and pull it out. Now that the light is out, we can see our issue. There's a hole here and there's a hole here, which these guide pins on the light have to go into. When this slides back, those two pins go inside those holes. Those holes are supposed to have some like grommets, some plastic grommets in them that those pins slide into, and they're supposed to fit snugly so this light doesn't move. Somehow either those grommets break or they slide out when you change this light out, and these pins are now just in the hole wiggling around. So that's why the light shakes. You can order that part. I'll have it on the screen from Ford or Amazon. They're pretty cheap. You can order those. If you're like me and you don't have time to order them and you have a local Harbor Freight, go buy this kit of it's like the pins for that go under the hood, door panelings, that kind of stuff. I'll post this too. The pins in this section here, they're perfect for this. This is what I use because I have a Harbor Freight and I have these pins, but I'm in the middle of nowhere and I don't feel like waiting days, weeks to get the right thing. So I use these. You can just push them in there like so. They'll stay. That's another thing I wanted to mention. The longer you leave this light wiggly, the longer these pins will oval out the hole, and the hole won't be good enough to accept the grommet anymore. So try to get it fixed fairly quickly if you can. But now you can slide this back in, and those pins will go into those grommets we just put in there. I'm using the word grommet because I don't have another word for it right now, but you get what I'm saying. There's a pin in the front here too. Make sure that's lined up. There's a pin in the bottom. Make sure they're all lined up. And there you go. No wiggle. Solid. Now you can just put the screws back in and you're good to go.